I am Dr. Roma Ratan, Associate Professor, Department of Biochemistry, SCB Medical College. Today I will be speaking about types of masks and their uses. What is a mask? Mask is a covering which covers a part of the face or the whole of the face. In order to prevent infection, earlier in the olden days, people used to wear a mask to disguise or to hide, at times to have fun, to amuse, or to frighten others. What are the different types of masks available? The surgical mask, the N95 respirator mask, the hybrid mask, the tea towel or the dishcloth mask, or the two-layered cotton mask. These are the different types of masks available. Now, what is the N95 mask, the most sought after, the most black marketed mask? Now, N95 masks is called N95 because it removes 95% of 0.3 micron particles. It may be a valve, it may have a valve, or it may not. The valve just protects you or produces a method for exhalation and reduces breath resistance. It is made up of a tough yet flexible material which is non-woven polypropylene fiber. What are the features of an N95 mask? It has two loops which hold it tightly, fix it over the face, covering the nose, the mouth and the chin, which is done by two elastic straps. It has a foam layer attached to the nose area and a clip on the outer side so that it fixes very tightly, cushioning the nose, allowing some comfort and as well as preventing fogging of the eyes. Now, how to wear this mask? There are most often people don't wear it correctly. The correct way of wearing a mask is that the clip should be tightly attached to the nose. It should cover the mouth and the nose and the chin. It should be tightly fitting to the skin so that there are no gaps between the skin and the mask for the user. And the respirator must be able to capture almost 95% of the germs. Now, which mask is the most effective and why? As healthcare workers, N95 mask is the most effective mask. A study by CDC has shown the surgical mask is also effective if it is worn properly in preventing the COVID-19 viral infection. Now, respirators are not needed outside the healthcare setting. So, N95 mask is not required beyond the hospitals for the general public. Now, the next mask is surgical mask. A surgical mask is also known as a medical mask. It is a personal protective equipment worn by healthcare professionals while doing some medical procedures. It prevents airborne transmission of virus and bacteria from the patient to the surgeon, from the surgeon to the patient, and it blocks respiratory droplets and aerosols and protecting the wearer's mouth and nose. It has three layers. One, the outer layer, the middle is a non-permeable layer, and the inner absorbent layer. Now, what are the features of a surgical mask and an N95 respirator mask? Both are disposable. Surgical mask has ear loops or can be tied. N95 is a molded cup style which fits very snugly. And surgical mask is loosely fitting. N95 is tightly fitting. Surgical mask cannot do any filtration or cannot give any respiration, exhalation advantage, like it doesn't have a filter, and both have to be discarded. Surgical mask is one-time use. N95 has to be discarded once it is deformed or contaminated. Next comes the cloth mask. Widely available, many colors, many varieties. It's made up of cloth, cotton, most often cotton textile cloths, and it covers the nose and the mouth, most often used by the general public. Now, what is the difference between each type of mask? Each mask has its own rules and regulations. Cloth masks can be washed, reused, widely available and widely used. Medical mask, surgical and N95 mask. Medical masks are used, surgical masks are loose fitting, will not give complete respiratory protection if it is not fitting properly. N95 masks are tight fitting, gives maximum protection to the healthcare worker. How do I wear a mask? I have to wash my hands, clean my hands with soap and water before wearing a mask. The mask should be covering the nose and the mouth and the chin tightly and snugly. The colored surface should be facing outside. The white absorbent material should be facing inside. The metal ridge should be snugly fitting on the nose so that the eye is not fogging. When I have to remove my mask, I remove it from the handles or from the ear loops and throw it in a biomedical waste bin, and then again wash my hands after discarding the mask. Be safe, be masked up. We are all in this together. Thank you.